A 23-year-old from Pune, no degree, no savings, no special skill, started making 52,000 rupees every single month from his bedroom. He works 3 hours a day. His parents still think he's job hunting. Right now, over 1.2 lakh Indians are quietly running this exact same business, and almost nobody is talking about it. Until today. In 2023, India's digital economy crossed 11 lakh rupees crore. But here's what the headlines missed: 74% of the people profiting from it had zero formal training. No MBA. No engineering degree. They found one specific gap in the market that giant companies ignore, and they filled it using nothing but a laptop and free internet. This is that gap. The business is called digital reselling, but not the fake MLM version your cousin pitched at a family dinner. This is legitimate product arbitrage using platforms like Meesho, Gumroad, and international print-on-demand sites. You buy nothing. You stock nothing. You simply list other people's products, add a margin of 80 rupee to 300 rupee per item, and pocket the difference. Every single order. Here's the math that will keep you awake tonight. If you sell just 8 products a day at an average margin of 220 rupees, that is 1,760 rupee daily. Multiply by 30 days, 52,800 rupee per month. That's more than the average Indian software engineer earns in their first job. And the top resellers? Rahul Yadav from Jaipur crossed 1.8 lakh rupees monthly by month 7. Same model. Same zero investment start. But here's where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. In 2024, AI tools completely changed this game. Tools like Canva AI, ChatGPT, and Kittle now generate product designs in 11 seconds. A 19-year-old girl from Hyderabad named Priya used these tools to launch 200 custom t-shirt designs on Redbubble. She made 38,000 rupees in her third month while studying for her B.Com exams. She told no one until the money hit her account. So why don't more people know this? Because the Indian education system spent 16 years teaching you to find a job, never to build income. And here's the brutal truth: 68% of Indian graduates earn less than 25,000 rupee monthly in their first 5 years. Meanwhile, teenagers with zero qualifications are quietly doubling that number from their phones. The system didn't fail them. They simply stopped waiting for the system. Here is your exact action plan. Week 1. Create free accounts on Meesho, Gumroad, and Redbubble. Week 2. Use ChatGPT to find 20 trending product niches. Week 3. List 50 products using AI-generated descriptions. Week 4. Your first order arrives. Total investment required: literally 0 rupees. Your phone, your Wi-Fi, and 90 minutes daily is everything you need to begin. That is not motivation. That is a documented, repeatable formula. India has 900 million internet users. By 2026, Indian e-commerce will cross 25 lakh rupees crore. The demand is already here. The platforms are already built. The AI tools are already free. The only thing missing right now is you deciding that 50,000 rupees a month is not a dream reserved for IIT graduates or billionaire sons. It is a decision. And that decision costs exactly 0 rupee to make, starting tonight. 1 year from now, you will either be watching another video about making money, or you will actually be making it. The people who started this business in January 2024 have already crossed 6 lakh rupees in total earnings. You now have the exact same information they had on day 1. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week that Indian schools never had the courage to teach you.